Want to score band 9 in IELTS speaking? Most students think it's impossible, but today I'll show you step by step how to reach the top score. Let's break down the strategies that examiners love. Before we jump into the tips, let's understand what examiners are looking for. There are 4 main criteria: fluency and coherence, speak smoothly and connect your ideas logically. Lexical resource: use a wide range of vocabulary naturally. Grammatical range and accuracy: mix sentence structures with minimal errors. Pronunciation: be clear, natural and easy to understand. Now that we know what makes a band 9 speaker, let's look at a few practical tips that can help you boost your score. Tip 1. Speak naturally, not like a robot. Memorize scripts, sound fake, use everyday expressions, contractions and speak as if you are in a real conversation. This makes your speech authentic and fluent. Once you're speaking naturally, the next step is to expand your answers so you can show depth. Tip 2. Expand your answers. Don't give just yes or no. Add examples, explanations and personal stories. For example, if asked, do you like reading? Instead of saying yes, say yes, I enjoy reading fiction, especially in the evenings. It helps me relax after a busy day. Now that you're giving detailed answers, let's see how you can improve your vocabulary and grammar range. Tip 3. Use a variety of vocabulary and grammar. Mix simple and advanced words naturally. Combine short and long sentences for variety. This shows the examiner you can communicate at a high level without sounding forced. Of course, speaking well also depends on how clearly you pronounce your words. Focus on pronunciation and intonation. Tip 4. Master pronunciation and intonation. You don't need a British or American accent. Clarity is what matters. Focus on stress, rhythm and natural flow. Record yourself and repeat sentences to improve. Finally, staying calm and confident can make a huge difference in your speaking test. Tip 5. Stay calm and confident. Nervousness affects fluency and pronunciation. Before the test, practice deep breathing and visualize a successful conversation. Treat the examiner like a friendly listener. Now let's put all these tips into a practical weekly plan so you can practice effectively. Here's a weekly plan to boost your speaking. Daily speak for 10 minutes about random topics and record yourself 3 times a week. Watch English shows or podcasts and repeat phrases. Once a week, do a full mock speaking test with feedback. Follow this plan consistently and you'll see a big improvement in your score. If you apply these steps and stick to the practice plan, band 9 is within your reach. Practice smart, speak confidently, and remember, you can do this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS tips.